Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing the thing that has been overdue for a bit now. Since the start of the season. I should have done it for a while, but I haven't done it yet. That is to vacuum the pond, and today I'm going to be doing that. So what I have here is the Shopvac that I used to clean my 3-barrel filter system, and I have converted it to a pond vac last year. If you haven't seen my video yet, check it out. So basically over here I have this 2-inch swimming pool hose from my old swimming pool, and this adapter which I'm gonna be attaching to this. Remove this cap. There's the yeah, the gasket's still in there, so I just need to attach to here. Alright, I put down a camera. There you go. So then I attach the hose to this end. Just like so. Now it's not under pressure, so it shouldn't be an issue. Well, tighten this one, close this valve. So I'm gonna just drain the water outside into my garden, watering my pear tree right here. And first of all, I'm gonna be vacuum this skimmer box. There's some dirt accumulated at the bottom of the skimmer box, so I'm gonna vacuum this first, then I'll start the pond after. All right, let's hook up the cable and the hose. Put this one this side for now. So with this I need only one wand. Should be good enough. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna plug in the power. Okay, I can use this outlet for now. All right, turn off my skimmer. All right. Pull up my basket. Oh, I got to collect some of these leaves. All right, remove the basket. So, not sure you can see down there, but quite a bit of dirt accumulated at the bottom of this drum right here. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be cleaning. All right, let's start it. Cool right now. This water's coming out here. Let's open this valve and release it. Woohoo! Look at that. How dirty that is. Oops. Remove this. There's some spare glass from old window. All right, look at that. Got some dirt coming out. Okay, that's it. One more round. Close it. Let's do some there. Okay, one more time. Woohoo. Yeah. Some dirt coming out again. Doesn't take much to fill up the vacuum, but oh well, it works. One more time. Three times. better, but maybe I'll do one more time. All right, close it. All right, okay, it's better than before now. It's good for now. Okay, let's move on to the pond. Put the basket back down. All right, I'll close this one up, start a pump, and then move to over there, do the pond vacuum. All right, so I'm all set to start vacuuming the pond now. I got 3 wand extension to get down to the bottom. So I'm gonna start on this deep end first. Yeah. All right. Four. Open. Yeah. See new thing coming out. Oh yeah. Some stuff coming out there. Good chunk of dirt coming out here. Okay, do it again. Some kind of blockage over here. Let's see. No, that seems to be fine. Oops, I forgot to close this valve. No suction. Okay, let's start again. All right, roughly after about an hour, I think I got most of the dirt out from the bottom of the pond. As you can see over here, there's some over here from the skimmer, and this is from the bottom of the pond. Look at all the dead leaves, pine needles. And let's see. Yep, nothing left inside this hose, but let's open this one up. Alright, yeah, not much in here either, some dirt. Apparently it sucked some gravel up too. Ooh, not bad for this vacuum. Already, so finally I managed to get the pond vacuum, and yeah, so it's done. Another project today, pond vacuum. Now the all the valves filling up more water now. Guess I suck quite a bit of water out of this pond today. Yeah, I have to clean the 3-barrel filter system too. It's been 3 weeks already. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.